Alright guys, so this Boeing 777 British Airways heading to London Heathrow International Airport from Dulles. Alright, so it's at gate B42 and Lufthansa will be at gate B45. Alright, so this is British Airways Boeing 777. I flew with British Airways Boeing 777 before, so I flew from, it was like 6 months ago. I flew from, maybe 4 months ago, yeah. I flew from Rio de Janeiro to Buenos Aires. Right? It's a really cool airplane. All right. And over there is United Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Okay, so this is the transporter here, the mobile transportation unit here. So it's taking you from this gate area here to that gate area. So basically, you know, domestic flights, if you're flying from this terminal, usually you're being taken to that terminal area over there so you can catch your flights over there, right? So for international flights, mostly you just hop on the plane from here, right? Beautiful airplane here, and this is the, see the control tower over here at Dulles Washington International Airport, right? All right, everybody. Hope you all have a good day now.